Hey, super builders! Are you ready for the most epic construction adventure ever? Today, we're not just building any playground. We're building the biggest, coolest, most awesome playground in the whole wide world. We've got a whole team of giant construction machines waiting. Are you ready to dig, lift, and build with us? Let's get this party started. Let's roll. Wow, look at this big, empty space. It's our job to turn this dusty lot into a super fun zone. But first, we need to clear the way. And for that, we need a real powerhouse. Say hello to the mighty excavator. Look at that huge arm and that giant scooping bucket. The excavator is a digging champion. It uses something called hydraulics, which is like super strong robot muscles, to scoop up tons of dirt and rocks. Scoop, swing, and drop. A fun fact about excavators is that their buckets can be so big, a grown-up could take a bath inside one. But probably don't try that. It's just digging for us today. Okay, the excavator is clearing out the big stuff, but the ground is still super bumpy. We need it to be perfectly flat for our playground. What do we call the bulldozer? Of course, this machine is a master of pushing. See that giant blade on the front? It scrapes and pushes dirt, rocks, and anything in its way to make the ground as flat as a pancake. Vroom, vroom. Watch it go. Bulldozers are so strong, they can push a pile of dirt as heavy as 10 elephants. They work together with the excavator to get our site ready. Teamwork makes the dream work. Now, where does all this dirt that the excavator and bulldozer move to go? We can't just stay here. Time to call in our next hero, the dump truck. This truck has a giant open box on its back called a bed. The excavator scoops up the dirt and carefully drops it right into the dump truck's bed. Once it's full, the dump truck drives away to dump the dirt somewhere else. And how does it dump it? The bed lifts way up high and tilts, and whoosh, all the dirt slides right out. It's like a giant toy truck, but real. Some dump trucks are so enormous that their tires are taller than two grown-ups standing on each other as shoulders. All right, team, our ground is clear and flat. Phase 1 is complete. Now it's time to start building upwards, way up into the sky. For this, we need a true giant. Look up. It's the tower crane. This is the tallest machine on our site. Its job is to lift super heavy things, like the giant steel beams that will become the frame for a mega slide and tall towers. The operator sits way up high in a tiny cap with an amazing view. The crane's long arm, called a jib, reaches out, hooks onto the steel, and lifts it into the air, as if it were a feather. It's like a super strong fishing rod for building. Now that the big pieces are being lifted, we need to move other supplies around the site. We have pallets full of wood for our bridges and panels for the climbing walls. They're way too heavy to carry. So let's bring in the zippy and strong forklift. See those two big forks on the front? It slides them right onto the pallet, lifts it up, and drives it exactly where we need it. Beep, beep, beep. The forklift is like the busy bee of the construction site, buzzing around delivering materials to all the builders. It's an expert at lifting and placing things precisely. Uh-oh, we've hit a problem. There's a huge, stubborn rock right where we need to put a deep anchor for our swing set. The excavator's bucket can't break it. What do we though? We need something with some serious power. Let's bring in the jackhammer. This tool might look small, but it packs a mighty punch. It hammers the rock with incredible force, breaking it into smaller, manageable pieces. It's super loud, which is why builders wear special ear protection. It's the perfect tool for breaking through tough spots with our structure going up. It's time to focus on the details. We need to connect all these pieces of wood and metal together. We have thousands of nuts and bolts to tighten. Using a regular screwdriver would take forever, so we need a power tool that's fast and strong. This is the impact driver. It spins and tightens bolts in just a second. It uses quick little bursts of power, or impacts, to make sure every bolt is super secure. It's one of the most used tools for putting the playground puzzle together. Next up, our awesome playground needs a cool, wobbly wooden bridge. but the wooden planks we have are too long. We need to cut them to the perfect size. For that job, we need a special saw. Here comes the circular saw. It has a round blade that spins really, really fast to cut through wood in a perfectly straight line. BZZZZZZ. The builder measures carefully and then guides the saw to make a clean cut. Safety first. That's why builders wear safety glasses when using this tool. Now our bridge slats are the perfect length. Every part of our playground, the platforms, the bridges, the floors of the playhouses needs to be perfectly flat and level. If it's tilted, it won't be safe or fun. How do we make sure everything is straight? We use a tool that shoots out a beam of light. This is the laser level. It projects a perfectly straight red or green line onto the walls and floors. The builders can then line everything up with this laser beam to make sure it's flawless. It's like using a magic light beam from a sci-fi movie to build. The main structure is almost done. Now we need to make sure it's anchored securely in the ground forever. And what holds things in place better than concrete? Here comes the cement mixer! It's that truck with the big spinning drum on its back. Inside, it's mixing cement powder, sand, rocks, and water to make concrete. The drum keeps spinning to make sure it doesn't get hard. Then, it pours the gooey concrete into the holes we dug for our footings. It looks like gray soup, but in a few hours, it will be as hard as rock. A fun fact is that the ancient Romans used a type of concrete to build structures that are still standing today. Before we lay down our soft, bouncy safety surface, we need to make the ground underneath it firm and compact. We want it to be solid so it doesn't get lumpy. For this, we use the plate compactor. This machine has a heavy, flat plate on the bottom that vibrates really fast. A builder guides it over the ground, and the vibrations press all the dirt and gravel tightly together. Thump thump, it's like giving the ground a powerful massage to make it strong. Wow, we've done it. The playground is built. But look at all this dust and leftover bits of wood and leaves. It's a mess. We need one final tool to make it sparkle. Let's fire up the industrial blower. It's like a super-powered leaf blower. Whoosh. It blows a powerful stream of air that pushes all the dust and debris away, cleaning the entire playground from top to bottom. Now we can see all the bright, beautiful colors of our brand new slide, swings, and climbing walls. It looks amazing. Okay, super builders, the playground is built and clean. But is it ready for playing? Not yet. First, we need a final safety inspection. For this, we need one of the most important tools of all, the tape measure. We use it to measure everything. Is there enough space between the swings? Is the railing high enough? Is the slide at a safe angle? We measure every single detail to make sure it meets all the safety rules. Accuracy is key to safety. Click. The tape measure helps us check every last inch. And it passes. Everything is perfect. Let's do a super fast recap of all the amazing machines and tools we use today. The excavator to dig, the bulldozer to push, the dump truck to haul, the tower crane to lift, the forklift to carry, the jackhammer to break, the impact driver to tighten, the circular saw to cut, the laser level to straighten, the cement mixer to pour, the plate compactor to firm up, the industrial blower to clean, and the tape measure to check. You learned them all. And now, for the moment we've all been waiting for. It's time for the grand opening. Let's count down. 3, 2, 1. Go. Look at all the happy kids running into play. They're going down the slide, climbing the walls, and swinging high in the sky. We did it. We used teamwork and amazing tools to build an incredible space for everyone to have fun. Great job, team. Thanks for building with me today. Don't forget to look for these cool machines the next time you see a construction site. See you on our next big adventure. Bye. Bye.